With the production of new vehicles, the automotive market has a single focus: efficiency. With cars becoming faster, lighter, and more efficient, companies must look at what makes their products better for the general consumer and their financial bottom end. Many brands don't offer manuals, are close to completely phasing them out, or have options specific to certain markets like the US. From an ethical standpoint, automatics are now more fuel efficient and cheaper than they ever have been to produce. Without significant demand, automakers typically don't deem it worth the investment to engineer, certify, and build a manual powertrain when the majority of the production volume is in automatics. As an automotive enthusiast, we're in a unique niche in the world, and unless you're a crypto whale or own a shipping company, we can't afford to keep these brands producing these transmissions on our own. Not to mention power manuals can handle versus automatics when it comes to performance applications. However, we may have a savior. Christan Van Koenigsegg, who's synonymous with speed and power, and his company who holds multiple Guinness World Records and World Firsts, has their latest option, which is a tribute to the CC850 that started the hypercar wars. Keeping the style elegant, with modern touches and technological innovations, Koenigsegg shows their leagues above the competition. What stands out is the transmission. Is it a manual? Yes, and an automatic. And we're not talking about a CVT. What they have dubbed the TWMPAFMPC, or the world's most powerful and fastest manual production car. As previously mentioned, it's hard to have high-powered production manual vehicles, no less hypercars, but that's what they did. KESS, or Koenigsegg Engaged Shift System, has 6-speed gated manual with clutch and third pedal that provides the engagement and connection to the road we want from the lightning speed transmission, like the one found in the Jesko. For those of you in the know, the Jesko has a 9-speed transmission. The gearbox has both a 6-speed manual and 9-speed automatic. So you have 9 gears to play with. We won't be shifting like Fast and Furious though. You have 6 gears and reverse in a manual option. You also have different ratios for track settings and road settings, making it the world's first in that regard. When you're in automatic mode, it still has extremely smooth shifts when everyday driving, but still offers the light speed characteristics you expect. While in manual, it behaves as such concerning pressures in the transmission and overall feel. So yes, you can stall the car. You can jump from automatic mode into manual mode, and safety restrictions keep you from jumping into a low gear depending on your speed. Unfortunately, there'll only be 50 CC850s produced, but the thought is the transmission as a whole. Can you imagine this in your next build or next purchase? This transmission, in my opinion, if mass produced, could make the entire market happy. If you are wondering how it will handle real power, the CC850 has 1,385 horsepower or 1,032 kilowatt and 1,021 pound-feet of torque or 1,385 newton meters of torque on E85. So yeah, it can handle power. Let me know what car you would drop this transmission in down in the comments. Subscribe for more automotive news, and thanks for watching.